Okay. Hello, everyone. I have my three people. One is on Zoom, and then the two other people are in person. So, hello, my name is Annette. I will be presenting on how you can getting started with exercise. So, the question that I have for you guys is, wait, yeah. So, the question that I have for you guys is, who here has always wanted to start working out? Raise your hands. Okay, so if you, okay, everyone, perfect. So that's great that you guys have thought about it, but probably you guys are wondering, how do you go about that? So there are many benefits to exercise, which according to the World Health Organization in the year 2022 that they posted is, in adults, quoting from them, in adults, physical activity contributes to prevention and management of non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and diabetes, and reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety, enhances brain health, and can improve overall well-being. So getting started with exercise can provide numerous health benefits for all ages. It's all about just having the structure when you get started. So my credibility on this topic comes from earning a bachelor's degree in kinesiology with a concentration of exercise science, as well as conducting extensive research from credible academic resources to inform you all on this topic that I will be presenting to you guys today. So I will be discussing on about SMART goals, which is an acronym, which I will discuss further in my speech. Second is the appropriate physical activity based on your fitness level, and developing a consistent habit to based on your lifestyle. So the first main point is making realistic goals. And how do we do that? We can ask ourselves, like, what is motivating you guys? And so understanding what is motivating you. It could be from improving your health. It can be from getting ready for a wedding in the next 6 months, or it can be a personal record for yourself to achieve. And so how smart fitness goals comes into play here is how SMART goals, based on the what it stands for, it's just about keeping track on your goals and allowing the individual to create a structured, attainable, and realistic goals. And what it stands for, SMART, S stands for specific. That means an individual who is finding a reason why they may want to start exercising. Like I said in the beginning, what motivates you. Second, M, measurable. It's how the individual measures their progress of their goals. So it can be based off of how many days have you worked out, to how much weight you've done in the gym, or how much time you've done running. A stands for attainable, making sure that the goal is realistic and able to achieve with over time. So it's the amount of pounds that you lose within time. So let's say 3 months you want to lose 50 pounds. Possibly that's not a realistic goal to have, but if you start with 10 pounds, that's much more a realistic goal to achieve. R stands for relevant. Um, it's how the goal aligns with your core values. And then lastly, T, it stands for bound. The individual setting a certain time frame they want to achieve the goal. So it goes again, whether it be 3 months, 6 months, or within a year. And so with that being said, when making these goals, just be patient. It's be patient, and that way this can help you be able to achieve your goals. Once you have a clear mindset on your motivation and goal, the next step would be to decide on what physical activity could match based on your fitness level. So starting off with aerobic exercise, it's also known as cardio, is to elevate your heart rate in a steady state of exercise, bringing more oxygen to the larger muscles being used. So that could be from swimming, running, circuit training, anything that you can think of. And then secondly, you can also do resistance training based off of by Gordon and American College of Sports Medicine. It's also known as strength training, quoted by them, refers to specialized method of physical conditioning that involves the progressive use of wide range of resistive loads and a variety of training modalities designed to enhance muscular fitness. So that can be from going to the gym, and then doing your own weights or kettlebells, anything that can help you resist the weights. And then lastly, flexibility. So extending the muscles to its full range of motion in the eccentric. So that can be from doing yoga or even after a workout to cool down. And lastly, I will be discussing after choosing your appropriate exercise, it is crucial to develop a consistent habit. So developing a consistent habit that will fit within your lifestyle will create a strong, realistic routine and enable you to achieve your fitness goals in no time. So how do we do that? It's just by creating a schedule based off of your lifestyle. So set a routine for yourself each week so that way it can help you track, as well as keeping yourself to challenge yourself. So that means it can be from the frequency, the duration, or the intensity, or the resistance from your workout, so that way it can keep you engaged and motivated. And lastly, the rest and recover, which is the most important part because you need to allow your body to recover, especially from the muscles, so that way it can prevent you from getting injured. And then that way you get faster results. So to summarize, exercising can improve your overall well-being and quality of life. So in conclusion, getting started with exercise is about how you approach it. Setting realistic goals to help you organize and understand where the motivation is coming from, then to determine the exercise that is appropriate to your fitness level to start strong and build gradually. Lastly, developing a consistent habit to be able to achieve your goals. With this in mind, anyone can be able to start their fitness journey regardless of their level. Thank you.